everyone, and welcome to Novi Insight Engine. In this video, we'll walk you through the production tab, where you can visualize well performance over time using line charts and area charts. This tab is especially useful for analyzing production trends, comparing groups of wells, and adjusting metrics to fit your specific workflow. So here's our Insight Engine. I have a filter already turned on that's showing horizontal active wells that have a first production year between 2020 and 2025. So this top chart is a line chart, which is designed for detailed production trend analysis. I'm going to go ahead and enter full screen to show you the capabilities of this chart. In this top bar, you'll see some drop-down menus. This first drop-down menu, you can choose a type of relationship you want to view. Rate versus time, cum versus time, rate versus cum, well count versus time. This flexibility allows you to evaluate both short-term performance and long-term recovery trends. Next, you can normalize the production data by lateral length, which is helpful when comparing wells of different sizes. Normalization can be displayed per foot, per 1,000 feet, or per 10,000 feet. You can also adjust how the data is displayed by toggling between log scale and linear scale. And you can control the time resolutions by displaying daily or monthly productions. And that is going to control what's going on in your x-axis. One of the most powerful features of the line chart is the ability to group wells by key attributes. In this dropdown, you can group production trends by first prod year, operator, formation, well status, a variety of geographic, date, completion, spacing, subsurface, and production summary categories. This makes it easy to compare performance across different operational or geological segments. So right now, I'm going to group by basin. I'm going to turn that on. On the y-axis, this is where you select the production metric you want to analyze, including oil, gas, water, flared gas, BOE, or gas-oil ratio or water-oil ratio. Simply choose your metric from the drop-down menu, and that will show up in the chart. I also want to show you guys the functionality within the chart itself. By hovering over these lines, you turn on a tooltip, which is showing you some details about these trends. So this is showing basin, monthly gas production, wells, forecasted wells, and months on production. In the top right of the chart, you'll find several tools to customize your view. So this button right here, the box with the squiggly arrow, that's turning on and off forecasting. Next to it is a button that allows you to turn on sliders where you can really dial in the ranges you want to see on your axes. You guys already saw that full screen button. You can click on this again to exit full screen. And these three dots stacked on top of each other are the chart settings. The chart setting menus allow you to download chart data into a CSV, screenshot the chart, or in this chart settings, we can dial in our axis values, turn on and off the functionalities in the chart, such as tooltips, sliders, and forecasts, and as well as the legend, as well as size the lines by well count. And that's our line chart. Below it is an area chart, which displays total production volume across your selected wells. So I'm going to enter full screen. Using the top bar, you can toggle between rate versus time or well count versus time. Just like that line chart above, you can normalize by lateral length, switch between daily or monthly views, and you can group on the same categories as above. So this time I will also turn on basin. One thing you can also do is you can click on these individual legend entries, these groups within the legend. And not only is that going to highlight that group within your chart, but it will also highlight those wells on your map. To turn that off, simply click back on that category and that will turn it off. We're able to control our y-axis values, just like in the chart above, oil, gas, water, flared gas, as well as you can turn on your ratios. All the same chart tools are available here as well, including forecasting, sliders, full screen mode, chart settings, and CSV download. So by clicking this button, all of the same chart tools are available here as well, including forecast, sliders, full screen mode, chart settings, and CSV download. And that's a quick tour of the production tab in Insight Engine. With these tools, you can easily explore production performance, compare well groups, and generate insights faster. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about Insight Engine.